Hey there, guys. Okay, now what we're going to be talking about today is the PIC brand. PIC is the name, and the product is Ant Killer Bait. Okay, this is kind of interesting how this works. For some reason, during the summer, I have an ant problem. Ants come into my garage through under the door, and it's like clockwork. As soon as the summer hits and the temperature goes up, they start coming in. I'll go in the around maybe 10 in the morning, and I'll see this trail going right under the door, along the wall, and to wherever it goes behind my washer and dryer. Every summer. So I've tried different things to stop it, and a lot of things have worked. But I came across this, which is an interesting concept on how it works. Okay, what it is the ants that you see crawling around everywhere on the ground are harvesters and ants that gather and bring back food to the hive or the anthill or whatever, to the larva babies and the queen ant, okay, before they eat themselves. Okay, they don't eat first. They'll gather all that, bring it back, and feed the queen and the little baby ants, the larva. Okay, but what they do is they're attracted to what's inside of here. There's two holes. One, I don't know if you can see it, there's a hole right there, and there's an exit hole right on the side here. It's hard to see, but what happens is they'll crawl in there and bring that food back to the hive, and that food is poison, and it kills the ants, the queen, the babies, and then the harvester ants will then eat themselves. They won't eat their self, but what I mean is the harvester ants that brought the food back will start to dine also, on the poison. Because it's a tasty little treat for them, but they don't know it's poison. So that's the thing. Most other bug killing devices or things like this work by killing whatever is getting the poison, right? Like, say the ant will find the poison, eat it, and then it will die. This one, it carries the poison back and kills all his family first, and then he'll eat himself, and then they'll all die. So it's kind of an interesting concept how that works. So I decided to try it. Okay, this takes some time. You just leave it there, and you have to slowly wait for the colony to die out. I mean, slowly you'll start to see less and less and less ants. That is the concept. I tried it, but I did see a reduction, but I still saw a few ants there. And that is kind of to me. When I have ants, I want them dead right away. Okay, I want to see them dead on the ground and get a broom and sweep it up and be done with it. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the trail that they're making to be smaller and smaller and smaller until there's just maybe a couple of ants making this trail. I want them gone right then and now. So that is the downside to me, that you have to wait for it to work. Now, you can put these all over the place, all over your house, even outside the house, and prevent any ants from starting to come in. If they even start to try, they'll get to this first and then bring it back and kill any ants. But if you're going to use that, that's what you should do. Okay, but keep in mind that in this pack, there's only 2 of these. So you would need several to just put them all over the perimeter of your house or inside your house or just all around to get that going. So maybe the ants will either all die out or move to another spot looking for another queen or something like that. But it is what it is. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It's just I like it to work fast. Fast and be done with it. Yeah. It kills all kind of ants too. The ants that like anything sweet, those sweet eating ants. Ants that those black ones and the pavement ants, it kills all of them. Okay, so this is what you should do. Yeah. Okay, that is the PIC brand Ant Killer Bait. Okay, hope you guys use this information and keep this out of reach of children. It's very poisonous. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, bye bye.